Hey AP, this is your sort of orienting video for Monday, April 6th. A couple quick announcements. First, we're going back to rhetorical analysis once a week starting tomorrow. We're going to be writing every Tuesday. And we will follow the new EP rules, which you'll hear about in a longer video, which is today's lesson. We are back to counting those as major assessments. So at the end of third quarter, we had one essay that counted as classwork. In fourth quarter, they will count as major assessments again, so just like what you're used to. Another thing, quarter three grades are basically done. So unless you and I have specifically spoken about some makeup work that you're supposed to give me, take a look at your quarter three grade and see if anything looks funky. For every assignment except the weekly AP essay, I want to let you all know that I'm going to start dinging you points-wise if there's anything underlined in red or in blue in your work and you haven't corrected it. A red underline means something is misspelled. A blue underline means that there's a grammatical mistake. And yes, Google Docs makes mistakes with those sometimes. Sometimes they underline something and it's actually correct. But more often they're catching an error. They catch them for me, they catch them for you. And you're in an AP writing class. So when you're turning in just regular classwork for me, if you see a red or blue underline, fix it. And if you don't, I'm going to ding you. Last, I just wanted to mention the How to Win Friends and Influence People Google form that you filled out with questions about the reading. I scored that on accuracy. So if you're wondering how you got that classwork grade, pretty much the number of reading questions you got correct was your classwork score for the day. Next up for today, you've got a sort of a lecture video where I'm talking about the changes to the AP exam based on the announcements that they made this week. So you'll be watching that, and I'd suggest that you fill out sort of note-taking Google form for today as you're watching the video and just kind of have them side by side. All right, I hope I will see some of you in tutorial, and if not, catch you on Tuesday.